the laundry room, and it is in Peter Hill Weg 11. I'm going to tell you like how you can wash clothes for the people who are coming new. First of all, this is how the washing area looks like. There is a box which is used for starting the machine, and the machine numbers are written over there. See the machine numbers like washing machine 1, washing machine 2, washing machine 3, 2, 1, and this is for dryer. These are the dryers, these are the machine from Miele. And sometimes if they don't work, you have to come here, see washing machine 2, 1, in that way, switch on the MCB, and then simple step, put on your clothes, and then you have to use your Deli-Card. What is Deli-Card? I'll show you. So basically this is the Deli-Card using which I will start this machine. Here you can choose the option at what temperature you want to keep it. So I'll just keep it at 60. It will go for duration of 59 minutes. And then you have to come here. Simply you have to see your washing machine. Number 2 is mine. Put your clothes inside, close it, and you can put the detergent as per your choice, like when you want. I inserted the card here in this portal, and it is telling me I have 13.20 euros. Then you have to use this option. Washing machine 1, no. Washing machine 2, yes. Then okay, and then my card will be popped out. I can take it out. I'll come here, I'll put on start, then it says like wait for a second. So like payment verified, and now it will be started. Sometimes suppose if water does not start coming, then you have to do it, but water is coming, so it's all good. Now you can simply put on your detergents or whatever you want. So I use these two, like Ariel for washing clothes, and then this is for like the fragrance and the softener kind of thing. So I use the combo of these two to wash my clothes. And after like put an alarm of 1 hour, after that your clothes will be ready. Come here and press on this button. I'll show you that in the later part when it's done. And so just in case if you're like this door is closed, you can click on tour means door, I don't know how to spell it exactly, but if you press this it will open. Okay, I've put the detergent and the machine is running, so it has started running. It shows 57 minutes, so I'll come here after 57 minutes and we will see. Thank you. So for drying we use such kind of racks which are readily available in all the stores, starting from Kaufland to Cake to Aldi, Lidl, everywhere. I got this from Teddy, so you can check it out there. It was around 10 euros. Don't take too expensive ones unless you need it very urgently. You can check it out on multiple stores. You will find it within 10 euros. So it's good. I keep it outside and dry my clothes over there. So I am here back after an hour, and it shows like it's ended. Then you can press this button and it will open like this. You can take out your clothes, and that's it. Your work is done. So this was a mini vlog about how to wash clothes, and if you have any doubt or need any help, let me know in comments. I will try to help you out. In case if sometimes it locks down, then there are some ways to open it up, so I'll help you out with that. Take care, happy washing. And if you like the video, do like, share, subscribe with anyone who might need it. Take care. Bye bye.